we are going to solve a problem on a simple magnetic circuit. An iron ring having a cross-sectional area of 400 mm square and mean circumference of 500 mm carries a coil of 250 turns wound uniformly around it. Calculate the reluctance of the ring and the current required to produce a flux of 1000 microwebers in the ring. The relative permeability of iron is given as 400. Okay. So the data of a simple magnetic circuit are given. The length of the magnetic path, cross-sectional area of the magnetic path, then the number of turns of the coil wound around it. We have to calculate the reluctance of the ring first. So first of all, let us note down the parameters which are given. Okay. So given the cross-sectional area of the iron ring, that is area of cross-section is 400 mm square. Then the circumference of the ring. Circumference of the ring is nothing but the total length of the magnetic path, which is given as 500 mm. Then the coil is having 250 number of turns. So N is equal to 250, and it is also given that the relative permeability of iron is 400. That is mu R is equal to 400 for iron. Mu R for iron is 400. Okay. Now let us try to calculate the reluctance of the ring. So we know the equation for reluctance. Reluctance of the ring is equal to L divided by mu into A. Length of the magnetic path divided by absolute permeability of iron into area of cross section of the iron ring. So L is given as 500 mm. Mm should be converted to meters. So 500 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by mu. Absolute permeability mu is equal to mu 0 into mu R. Permeability of free space into relative permeability of iron. So that will be mu 0 into mu R. So mu 0 is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7, and mu R is given as 400 into A. Area of cross section is 400 mm square. So this is 400 into mm square should be converted to meter square. So for that, multiply the area in mm square by 10 raised to 6. Now on solving this, we will get the value of reluctance of the iron ring, and the value is 2486. 2486.79 into 10 raised to 3. 0.79 into 10 raised to 3. And what is the unit of reluctance? Reluctance can be calculated as mmf by flux. So we can write the unit as unit of mmf is ampere turns and that of flux is Weber. So 2486.79 into 10 raised to 3 ampere turns per Weber is the reluctance of this iron ring. And as the second part, we have to calculate current required to produce a flux of 1000 microwebers in the ring. So flux is 1000 microwebers. So in the second part, given that flux is equal to 1000 microwebers, and we have to calculate the current required to produce this much of flux. Okay. Now we know that mmf. So if we have to calculate the current, we need the value of mmf, because current is there in the equation for mmf. Mmf is N into I. We have to calculate the current. We already know the number of turns. So if we will get the value of mmf, we can calculate the current. So let us write the expression for mmf. mmf is equal to flux into reluctance. Flux into reluctance. In electrical circuit, EMF, voltage is equal to current into resistance, I into R. Similarly, in a magnetic circuit, MMF is equal to flux into reluctance. So here, MMF is N into I, that is N is 250 into I is unknown, which is equal to flux is given as 1000. So 1000 microwebers. Microwebers should be converted to Webers. So multiply this by 10 raised to minus 6. 1000 into 10 raised to minus 6 Webers into reluctance. Reluctance of this iron ring. So in the previous part we have calculated the reluctance and it was 2486.79 into 10 raised to 3. Okay. So now the unknown is the current I. So we can solve this equation and calculate the value of current I. And the value of current I that we are going to obtain is 9.947 amperes. Okay. So if a current of 9.947 amperes flows through this coil having 250 number of turns, a flux of 1000 microwebers will be set up in the iron ring.